A quick update on ZBCN here. So ZBCN is up almost 39% on the week. And what we've been watching on the live streams, of course, is the potential triangle continuation pattern here after this little strong move up. So we're still holding and consolidating here. I would keep it real simple. You can see we're right on the 236 at 16.8 here. If we can hold that low to the high, that is bullish territory here. And as long as we're holding the higher lows here on the bottom, any lower than this, and if we end up coming down to 15 and we start breaking down, then so be it. That is your top. But we went over that several times on the live streams, of course, that once we hit that 618 and wicked above it a little bit, that could have very well been it. So a 10% drop is lurking right now below the 168236 here. But as of right now, we're still holding. We got a lot of red in the market once again. A lot of things are starting to fall off the table here. So it wouldn't be out of the question for this thing to break down below this and break down to the downside here on ZBAC network here. But going back out to the 3-day here, these 3-day candles got stuck perfectly at the 618 with that wick above it, especially looking on the weekly here. But like I said, that's what we've been going over on this. The wick above the 618 high to the low, there's no confirmed breakout from this move down and sideways until you get over 18.3 and pretty much hold a 3-day candle and a weekly candle over that level here. So it remains to be seen right now if this is the top for ZBC in here. So we'll see how it holds up. Now, with that being said, if it ends up holding up here and getting back over the 618, where can this thing potentially end up running to here? So the higher targets here, let me get this zoomed out so we can see it just a little bit better here, but we'll just stick with the new high, the 1272. We do have all these marked out up here. Let me pull this. Let me just get a new one here so we don't take up too much time. But you can see that if ZBCN can hit a billion market cap from where it is today, that's going to take you all the way up here to the 2272 level at 2.5 pennies and that almost 2 billion market cap for about a 15x. And if you want 3 pennies on this thing, that would be your almost 19x. And then we have 4 pennies for a 3 billion market cap here for about a 26x. But the first order of business, of course, would be getting to the new high over that 1618 to the 1272 at 005 here and doing about a 3x from where we are today on the price of this thing here. But like I said, it remains to be seen if the top is in here for now or not. We could end up dropping all the way back down to that 0.5 and the 382 to stay bullish here and then move up at some point in the future. So any lower than you are now, you break structure, 15% drop is on the table in my opinion. So what are your thoughts on ZBCN? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.